Hi everyone, Marv Eisen here, and it's Monday, June 6th, just after the market closed, and I just wanted to do this quick video, actually for two purposes. One is to illustrate one of the trades that I teach, and I've talked about it in previous videos, and that's the time and price trade. Now, the time and price trade is a trade where there is a price movement in a certain direction. The market consolidates for a while, could be as much as an hour, and then continues the same movement in the same amount of time. And this is what happened today. In the S&P, this is a 3-minute candle of the S&P Emini. Actually, this is a micro Emini, but the candle is the same, or the Emini. And at any rate, the market declined down about 25 points, consolidated, went down another 25 points, actually almost 30. I caught it in the equilibrium, but 25. So I saw this at a little after 11 o'clock, and I saw the consolidation, and I caught it. I did a 5-contract sale over here and caught this decline for the 25-point or so drop, and then I bought back my contracts. So here is the results of that. Okay, here's the results of that. I sold 5, 41.36, which is just about over here. Okay, and then I bought back the 5 at 41.19, right over here. Actually, I was a little slow on the trigger because I left my screen for a while, which is not a good thing to do. But at any rate, that was that's an example of the time and price trade. It's a very good trade. Doesn't always work out, but then again, no trade always works out. But this is one of the 6 trades that I teach: GST, TMC, gap, time and price, support and resistance, trend, momentum, and candlesticks. So time and price, this is the time and price trade. It looks like this: one leg, consolidation, and the trade is actually the second leg. The first leg is the hint at what may be forming. The consolidation is part of the setup, and then the actual trade, and I recommend you get on in this trade and get on in the consolidation. That's something that you might want to keep in mind. The other thing that I wanted to do is to announce that I'm going to have a Zoom meeting for anyone who wants to attend, not a webinar, a Zoom meeting. Anyone who's seen this video can join in tomorrow, June 7th at 4:30 p.m. And I have the link right here on my website at Timeless Dollar. The link is right here. Happy hour at 4:30. So go to timelessdollar.com, click the link. Okay, and you'll see the information about the meeting. Tuesday, June 7th, you can click over here or click over here, and that'll take you over to the Zoom meeting login. So anyone can join, you're perfectly welcome. This is a first attempt that I'm going to be doing this. So let's see how it works out. Looking forward to meeting all my fellow traders, and you're free to take the floor, or anyone can join in. So that's my video for today. June 6th, Monday, Marv Eisen, Timeless Dollar. You have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you tomorrow.